Hello, my name's Seb. I'm supposed to be the BRC TV presenter, but because my belly exploded at the start of the year, you've not actually seen me yet, so here I am. Even got a shirt on to make it official. Joining me on this weird lockdown stay-at-home video is Jon Armstrong, who is quite good at driving a real rally car, but also a virtual car. Say hello, Jon.
Hello everyone, very glad to be here. Quite excited to try and beat Seb, especially when I've been handicapped as such.
So the handicap Jon's on about is we're using Dirt Rally 2.0 to get everyone in the mood for the eBRC. And Jon will explain in a minute just how good he is. I'm in a Fiesta R5 car and Jon is in the Fiesta R2 car. There is a reason for that though, isn't there, Jon?
Yeah, I guess the handicap is because I have won I don't like to talk about it too much, but I have won a World Championship on esports. But you're really good. You're quick. I can't get close to your time. I've done a lot of practice there. I'm 10 seconds off, so we'll see. Can you hold your nerve whenever you only got one attempt?
Right. I must admit.
See, I'm playing with your head already. So yeah, it's all about carrying as much speed as you can, but also trying not to hit anything that you shouldn't hit.
Good advice there. Don't hit anything you shouldn't hit. I'm going to remember that one.
3, 2,
here we go.
1.
Launch into the stage. I'm going to keep a nice tight line over this first right-hander. Get the braking right down into the square left. Keep nice and tight. Get the drive out. Want to carry a high gear just to stop the wheel spin, front wheels. Down in under the trees now.
Seb, this is your conscience speaking to you.
A really fun jump here. You come up, go right over it, jumping then into this left-hander, carry low speed in fourth gear.
Come on, Seb, beat the Esports Champion. You can do this. Channel the power of the mustache.
This one it's quite long. It tightens just over that crest. We keep it in nice and tight. Try not to cut that corner. There's rocks inside. Opens out a little bit here again. You got the fence and drop on your right. Oh! I've rolled!
I'm in the trees!
Your one chance to beat an Esports Champion and you blew it.
It went up in two wheels and then just flipped. Alright, nothing happened. You did not see that.
You've still got a chance here, Seb. Channel the mustache. Think of the legendary mustache men before you. Nigel Mansell, Dylan Welling, Freddie Mercury.
Got a hairpin up here now. It's really tight when we go down first gear. Put the handbrake. Get a good drive.
That's it. Turn right around the right-hand corner. Good job.
Almost at the finish. We've both been off.
You're in four-wheel drive, he's in two-wheel drive. What are you doing?
No idea how Seb's done. I done a 256.
Oh no! I did a 302.
Yes! Come on, guys.
No!
Even with the roll. Even with the roll.
Basically, you know that 4 left that you can take a mega cut on?
That's where I went off.
Because you went off there and I was literally level pegging with you and I just drifted a bit wide into all the fence.
I can't believe we both went off and they won the same bit.